test, mic test. May we request the outstanding graduates and outstanding students to proceed to the entrance and for a standby for the processional. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Busit Hybrid Recognition 2023. Starting with the processional. The Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, teaching and non-teaching personnels. College administration and guests. Together with the university officials headed by Dr. Baby Boy de la Peña Nebres III, Super President 4. And now, let us welcome our Master and Lady of Ceremonies, Professor Jeffrey M. Ostonal and Miss Stephanie Rose S. Adamos.
College of Industrial Technology. Good afternoon to everyone who are present here today.
And good afternoon to our live viewers from our Facebook Live from Busit and Busit Sisak's Facebook page.
And of course, good afternoon to your partner. How are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Doon muna tayo sa podium.
Yes, sir.
Kamusta ka, Steph?
Ayun, masaya, sir. How about you?
Of course, I'm feeling great.
Okay, indeed a great afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And I am honored to be part of this momentous event for my last year here at Bicol University College of Industrial Technology. And it feels like yesterday when we first made the history in conducting hybrid recognition. And for now, another milestone will be marked as we celebrate the academic success of our students and an achievement for our parents, faculty, and staff.
I couldn't agree more, Steph. And today, the repercussion of student success is about to be recognized in our event. But before we start, I would like to leave you a saying from a great philosopher, Aristotle, that the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit of it is sweet. And now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second hybrid recognition of Bicol University College of Industrial Technology with the theme, Bicol Celebrating New Beginnings and Creating Opportunities and Changing Perspective. May I request everyone to please rise for the entrance of colors.
And please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by the Assistant Professor to Professor Cyril H. Banyal with accompaniment led by the BU Marching Band.
And this will be followed by the BTVTED students, Miss Francine Jane Perdigon, Maxie and Jordan Inabor, with a special participation of Mr. James Limasayo and Mark Gonsalve from BUPC and BUCE for the doxology. You may now take your seats and make yourselves comfortable.
At this point, may we all welcome Ms. Micaela Luis El Larito, the College Outstanding Student, to deliver us the salutation.
Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Niebres III, 4th SUC President, Dr. Maria Jolueta B. Boris, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Professor Davis Tonga, Dean of OSAS, Professor Jaslyn Imperial, Director of Institutional Students Program and Services, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, Professor Arlene A. Balleras, College Association Dean and Planning Officer, Dr. Ramises Lurino, our University Registrar, Ms. Maria Luisa L. Consuelo, our College Registrar, distinguished guest of honor, and testimonial speaker, who will be formally introduced in a while, our beloved department chairpersons, program advisors and coordinators, faculty members, non-teaching staff, our proud and supportive parents, our guests, and all the students awardees, good afternoon. Today, we joyfully gather here to celebrate and honor an exceptional individual. As we behold the shining faces overflowing with hope, determination, and dreams, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities within each of us. With utmost delight, I welcome you to the Bicol University College of Industrial Technology Recognition Ceremonies 2023, where we come together under the theme Buceteños, celebrating new beginnings, creating opportunities, changing perspectives. I am thrilled to offer my sincerest congratulations on this momentous occasion. We have arrived at this remarkable day of achievement through our unwavering dedication, tireless perseverance, and unyielding commitment. Our accomplishments have left an enduring impact on our lives and served as a beacon of inspiration and influence for those around us. With immense joy and profound admiration, I extend my warmest greetings to these exceptional individuals. As we reflect upon our journey as a students, our hearts are filled with sheer delight and gratitude. We are reminded of the countless hours of diligent study, the sacrifices we have willingly made, and the obstacles we have triumphantly overcome. Today, we acknowledge our outstanding academic excellence and rejoice in our personal growth and intellectual curiosity and invaluable contribution to our educational community. We have actively sought opportunities to broaden our horizon, engage in meaningful academic discourse, and make a transformative impact on the world around us. Allow me to share my treasured Bible verse as a student, 2 Chronicles chapter 15, verse 7, which holds a special place in my heart. But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded. Kagaya sa iba sa atin, isa ako sa mga estudyanteng labis kong kabahan tuwing recitations, exams, at paggawa o pagpasa ng napakaraming projects at iba pang schoolworks. Hindi maalis ang duda at ang tanong na, kaya pa ba today? Sabayan pa ng iba't ibang challenges, katulad na lamang ng mga kakulangan ng mga bagay na kailangan sa pag-aaral, tulad ng laptop, cellphone, at matahimik na lugar para makapag-aral ng maayos. Mapapasabi ka na lang talaga na, ba't pasuko na ang beshi ko? But kidding aside, there have been times when I doubted my abilities. However, our thirst for academic excellence, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our capacity to grasp intricate concepts, and our unwavering passion for learning have set us apart as shining examples that we can achieve through determination, faith, and perseverance. As we embark on the exciting journey of our future, armed with invaluable knowledge and skills we have acquired, I wholeheartedly encourage my co-students awardees to embrace what lies ahead with open hearts and open minds. Let us always bear in mind that the path to success may be adorned with obstacles, but it is precisely in the face of adversity that our true essence shines through. True success should not be solely measured by the accolades we amass, but rather by the lives we touch, the positive transformations we bring forth, and the enduring legacy we leave behind. With unwavering resilience, let us persist through challenges, never losing sight of our dreams. I hold steadfast faith in our ability to venture forth and profoundly impact the world, upholding the pillars of scholarship, leadership, character, and service that our university stands for. I am filled with profound gratitude as I express my heartfelt appreciation to the BU and Busit administration, our professors, staff members, and other stakeholders who have selfishly dedicated themselves to supporting and nurturing extraordinary individuals. Your tireless efforts, unwavering beliefs in our potential, and invaluable guidance have been instrumental in our accomplishments. We have truly blessed and grateful for your immeasurable role in our personal growth and well-being. For unwavering dedication to our development has left an indelible mark on our lives. For that, we are forever thankful. In addition, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for the unwavering support and constant encouragement we have received from our parents, guardians, benefactors, and families who have stood by our side through our educational journey. To my mama and papa, to my siblings, friends, classmates, BID family, RYM family, LIP family, I am grateful for your immense contributions to this success. Your love, encouragement, and sacrifices have played an integral role in shaping my character and laying the groundwork for my achievements. And most importantly, to the giver of life and wisdom, I express my profound appreciation for your precious gift of life and opportunity to acquire knowledge and education. You have given me the incredible privilege to explore the wonders of this world, grow intellectually, and expand my understanding of your creation. Today, as we celebrate, let this acknowledgement of your unwavering dedication toward our success. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts and for everything you have done. Once again, heartfelt congratulations to each one of us. May our journey ahead be adorned with abundant joy, profound fulfillment, and enduring success. Let us fearlessly embrace the power of dreaming big, setting our hearts high, and allowing our inner light to illuminate the world around us radiantly. In the end, my dear friends, all the challenges and setbacks we've encountered will be genuinely worthwhile. Let us rise as catalysts for change, driven by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character, all dedicated to improving humanity and creating sustainable societies. Together, let us forge a path towards a brighter future where our actions make a lasting impact and our endeavors bring about positive and meaningful transformation. May our collective efforts inspire others and pave the way for the world filled of compassion, equity, and lasting harmony. Padayon at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Loreto, for your kind words and encouragement. And of course, thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. We are very pleased to be able to welcome all of you that have been with us for a long time, and also those who are new to our university.
You know, sir, our college might face several challenges. All we can see is the product behind every untold battle. And beyond every success is a man with incomparable dedication. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our dynamic college dean, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, to give us his opening message.
My special greetings to our dear Bicol University officials, our SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Sir, good afternoon. An applause to our dear Bicol University President. Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our Vice President for Academic Affairs. Madam, good afternoon. Dr. Ramises M. Lorino, our University Registrar. To our guests of honor, Ms. Christine M. Diaz, BSFT, Batch 2004. Good afternoon, ma'am. Jelvin L. Muhar, BID Batch 2019. Good afternoon, sir. To the personnel of the College of Industrial Technology, Madam Arlene Balieras, the Associate Dean, Ms. Maria Luisa Consuelo, the OIC Registrar, Professor Michael Alagaban, Director USDS, and the College CSAC, our department chairs, program advisors, faculty members, support personnel, honorees, proud parents, other guests, ladies and gentlemen, maray na hapon po sa Indugabos. I am delighted to welcome you on this beautiful day, the Busit Recognition 2023. We are doing this on a hybrid modality, not only because we cannot accommodate all honorees in this gymnasium, but also because of safety and preventive measures. We have a bountiful harvest of achievers this 2023, and they will all be recognized. But what does it mean to give recognition? Google says, if you're given recognition, people show respect and admiration for your achievements. So today, we will recognize the exemplary achievements of our students along scholarship, leadership, and service. Just a bit of statistics. We have 7 special citations, 224 first semester, and 241 second semester Dean's Lister. And they are watching at Facebook Live. 127 Dean's Listers for 2 consecutive semesters to be awarded face-to-face. You are here present this afternoon. 2 outstanding college students, 3 outstanding college graduates, one of which is the most outstanding graduate for 2023. 11 graduating students with academic distinction, 214 cum laude, and they shall be awarded face-to-face today. 6 magna cum laude, one of which is our most outstanding graduate for Busit, and she will be awarded again together with the rest of those with magna cum laude honors at the University Recognition Program on July 5. garudakulon ade. Sarusa ng pakiuron ko sa Indo. Tang iba, yaon man sa Facebook. Kung kaya nindong mapasinsyahan, na day mag-uruli, maski na-resibinan nindo ang sa indong mga medalya, we will appreciate that very much. Because this recognition is for you. So, kung kaya man sana mapasinsyahan, kung huruhala wikidiit, please stay until we finish the program. With this harvest, my dear friends, my heart is full of joy. And I can only express my admiration and gratitude to all of you. Especially sa indo po na mga magurang for entrusting your children to Bicol University. That alone gives you pride and honor. And how much more when your sons and daughters are exemplars. Of course, many of our students graduate without flying colors, but they too are achievers. Why? Because they exemplify Bicol University's core values of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. So thank you all for your presence today and for entrusting your sons and daughter to us. Their achievements are also our achievements, and your pride is also our pride. Once again, my warmest welcome to all. Congratulations! Mabuhay ang Bicol University. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, the College Dean, for your gracious opening message. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we'll proceed to the first set of awards. The awarding of special citations.
May request Dr. Jonathan C. Rocco to be here with us on stage to award the special citations to be assisted by the Associate Dean, Professor Arlene A. Balleras, and RCSAC, Professor Michael Alagaban. Starting from the 18th Bicol University Student Research and Development Forum, third place, Thematic Area 1, Environment and Natural Resources Systems Management and Development, Development Category, Research Title, Magayon's Digest, a Fashion Ravel Textile Waste Eco Bags Inspired, Researchers, Joanne Llamazares, Earl J. DeFredo, James Matthew Lod, Christine Joyce Offenda, together with their advisor, Professor Christian C. Calleja.
Third place, Thematic Area 7, Food and Nutrition Security and Poverty Reduction Research Category. With a research title, Development and Quality Evaluation of Spray-Dried Pineapple Ananas Comosus with Sweet Potato Leaves, Ipamema Batatas, and Calamansi Citrofortunella Macrocarpa Juice Powder. Researchers, Rubinel D. Herrero, Diane S. Agualio, Mariel L. Alagar, Brian Joshua M. De La Cruz, Shira Ann G. Gutierrez, Angelica D. Masong, together with their advisor, Professor Ava Nicole B. Azotea.
Thematic Area 7, Food and Nutrition Security and Poverty Reduction, Development category. Research title, Formulation and Quality Evaluation of Value-Added Cake Bar with Sweet Potato and Pilipao. Researchers, Justin Mentele, Ronaldin Carrascal, Andre Laurio, Denise Magallon, Maria Concepcion Navida, Maria Kimberly Rose Trillas, together with their advisor, Professor Maria Janessa Reyes.
Second place, Thematic Area 8, Technological Innovations and Techno-Entrepreneurship in Industry, Energy, Emerging Technologies for Global Competitiveness, Development category. With the research title, Development of Bottled Calamansi, Citro-Fortunella Macrocarpa Juice with Encapsulated Bignay Antidesma Buneos Extract. Researchers, Christine Joy G. Bande, Ronald M. Abocado, Jude R. Arania, Ayesa L. De La Peña, Angel Ocon, Nerly S. Olivario, Kyla Marie A. Reyes. The advisor, yours truly, Professor Jeffrey M. Ostonal. Alright, so another special citation for the International Youth Sustainable Leadership Rising Star Awardees.
Rising Star Top 5 with their pitch, Sprout, sustainable practices by reducing food waste through the optimization and utilization of technological tools.
Would like to request our SUC President for Dr. David Roy Benjamin D. Nevers III, and also our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta V. Borges, to assist in the awarding of certificates.
With their theme, John Willie Protasio, Lou Behate, and Justin Mantella, together with their advisor, Engineer Ronel Oropesa. Let us proceed to the awarding of the Best College-Based Organization in Intracurricular Activities. May we request again Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, our College Dean, and Professor Dave Stonga, together with our President and ISPS Director. Our best organization in intracurricular activities, the Seed Student Teachers Organization.
finally, the awarded award for the Steadfast Student Leader Service for the academic year 2022-2023. Awarding of the Outstanding College-Based Organization, we have the Philippine Association of Food Technologists C Chapter.
Awardees, congratulations, and may you continue to strive and give pride and honor to our college and university.
Would also like to thank Dean, our BU President, our VPAA, and of course our OSAS, Dean and Ma'am Jesseline Imperial. Thank you so much.
At this point, may we call the Department Chair of Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education and concurrent Master of Arts in Industrial Education Program Advisor, Professor Christian C. Calleja, to introduce to us our testimonial speaker.
A round of applause, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I introduce to you our esteemed testimonial speaker for these 2023 college recognition ceremonies. An individual of remarkable talent and unwavering dedication, he has emerged as a true inspiration in the field of industrial design. His journey began in the humble town of Camalig, Albay, where he completed his high school education at Cotmon National High School. Recognizing his passion for design, he pursued higher education at Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, graduating in 2019 with a bachelor's degree in industrial design. His diverse talents and skills flourished throughout his academic years, setting the stage for his future success. He honed his craft in product designing, showcased his expertise as a raw material specialist, and mastered various weaving techniques such as macrame and crochet. Additionally, he proved his mettle as a machine operator for food processing and packaging, as well as demonstrated his competencies in welding robots. Building upon these foundations, he embarked on an extraordinary journey as a home and fashion designer, ultimately leading to Damas Handicrafts establishment. His professional experience are a testament to his unwavering work ethic and dedication, serving as a shining example for students and aspiring designers. I was privileged to be his former professor and coach, and I vividly recall his journey to success. Despite facing numerous challenges, he exhibited immense determination. He did his best to become a finalist for the Center for International Trade Exposition and Mission Philippines, or CITEM, in 2015. Over time, he developed and refined his transversal skills, nurturing a well-rounded skill set that sets him apart. As a platform for the finest Filipino craftsmanship and design, the 2016 Manila Fame provided him with the opportunity to display his innovative creations to a wide audience. His unique designs undoubtedly left a lasting impression on visitors as he demonstrated his expertise and mastery in the realm of industrial design. He was an active student leader in the College of Industrial Technology during his college days. He eagerly participated in various student organizations and played an integral role in numerous national and international events. A notable milestone in his journey was his selection as an exchange student for the 2018 Summer Camp of New Southbound Policy Chinese Language Center at Xichen University in Taipei, Taiwan. Following his graduation, he continued to expand his professional horizons, serving as a resource person, trainer, and coach for various livelihood training programs under the Department of Trade and Industry. His exceptional work ethic shone through his experiences as a machine operator in the ditch towing company, and he became a renowned exporter of handmade home and fashion goods like the MB shoes and bags. Additionally, he excelled as a material handler for Panasonic and an R&D pattern maker at Trifield International. Driven by his remarkable success in the field of home and fashion design, he embarked on a new adventure in the United States of America, where he established the Damas USA. His entrepreneurial spirit and relentless pursuit of excellence continued to shape his illustrious career, leaving an indelible mark on the industry. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from our testimonial speaker himself. This genuinely inspiring individual defied the odds and paved his path to success. Let his story ignite a flame of passion and dedication within each of us, reminding us that our dreams can become a reality with hard work and perseverance. Ladies and gentlemen, our testimonial speaker, Mr. Jelvin L. Muhar.
Diyos marahay na hapon po sa Indogabos. Tigkulbaan ako kay Sir Chan sa Alabaon. Dahil ko to tig-expect. I mean, clappers lang po ako digdi sa arog kaining event dati. Kami po nagagibok ang backdrop, ta dahil ko man po ma-achieve ang arog sa Indo na awardees. So ngunyan po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa SUC President. Nice to see you, sir. Baby boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Ma'am Julieta Bores, marahay na hapon po. Sa mga mentor ko dati, Professor, Guidance Counselor, Ma'am Balieras, Sir Arroco, so faculty and teaching and non-teaching staff, marahay na hapon po sa Indogabos. Maugmahon ako kanina, tigakwento ko kay Sir Chana. Sabi ko, sir, gari ang venue ngunyan, kadakula na. Dati po kaya sa U building lang kami. So sa diton siya, gari 1/4 lang kaini ang mga awardees. Ang role ko lang dati, backdrop, backstage. Di po ako nag-excel sa academic. Pero nagtutubod po ako sa tagline kang BDO. Today ako nag-excel sa academic. I need to find ways. So naghanap ako ng avenue kung saan ako mag-excel. So nag-excel ka mo academically, sabi ko i-try ko mag-excel sa ibang linya. Let me just introduce myself. I'm Jelvin. I'm the youngest of 10. So siyam po, day po ito nakatapos. So medyo sabi ko, day man kami ki farm, day man kami ki property. So mga tugang ko, mga parauma, nagakuha lang sindaning property tapos uumahon. Siguro aki pa ako naisip ko, nata ako mauma kung wala man kami property. Nailing ko so na tugang ko medyo daing improvement. Naghali ako sa arong at the age of 11. Nagklase ako high school, maski sa na arong, mga teachers, mentor, nagtatarabang-tabang para, medyo BDO po talaga dati. Gari, I need to find ways para maiba sa pamilya. Kung igwa kami nga siyendero, duman na lang po ako. Mauma naman lang. Kaso po, gari sa paso lang ito. Ngunyan, may nagtaos akong flyers kung yaon pa si Sir Leona. Iyo po ito ang primerong offer na industrial design sa Bicol University. Permi po ako last na nagsasubmit ki documents. Maski sa mga professor ko, di permi ito sako. Permi ako na mamarak makanta, permi po kaya ako late. But late is better than never. After ka ito, so journey ko digdi sa Bicol University, medyo madugo. Mentally, emotionally. Halos siguro gabos na pig-agihan man ka mga estudyante digdi. Pero gusto ko po, kung may mga working student digdi, pig-agihan nindo, gabos siguro inagihan ko man. Pero yaon ako digdi. Clappers dati, pero thank you. Okay na po. Thank you. So, iyon na po ito ang story ko digdi sa university. So, dako laon na opportunity ang Bicol University kung yain ako ngunyan. So, si Sir Mike, nadakop ako na mag-testimonial daa. So, nag-arte-arte pa man ako kang inot. Pero, dako laon na unra na may share ko sa experience. Pwede ka mo magkua kung daiman kaipuhan sa buhay nindo, throw it away. Pag ma-apply sa buhay nindo, then take it and i-boost pa nindo. Bako para sa pamilya ninyo, para sa sadiri nindo. So, dati, tiga-isip ko makapagtapos magklase para matabangan ng pamilya, ang goal. Typical Filipino. Pero ngunyan, pasensya na po sa mga gurang. Palupadon po mo na nindo sa mga aki nindo para bago mag-alat ki tabang. Di po sinda makakatabang sa indo kung di pa man na-empower so sa diri ninda. Ang goal kaya dati ang mindset, maklase, matapos maadal, matabang sa gurang. Ay po ang, tos nailing ko ining theme kang busit, celebrating new beginnings, creating opportunities, and changing perspectives. Sabi ko, gari akma man ito. So tama na, putulon ta na itong stigma na patapuson magklase para matabang ang mga magurang. So mga magurang po, pasensya po, pero palupadon po mo na nindo sa mga aki na matabangan ninda ang sadiri ninda. Sa udyan, pag marahayon po ang pagpadakula nindo sa aki nindo, mabalik sa indo. Ang utang na loob, da itigabayadan po, pigatanaw. kung sa mga aki nindo napadakula ning maayos, at the end of the day, magatanaw po yan ning utang na loob. Di po bayad ang apo duman. So mabalik kita sa journey ko digdi sa college. Kung saan ako ngunyan, ini ang pinaka-stepping stone ko kung saan ako hali. So, mentally, emotionally, syempre heartbroken din, college. Horo heartbroken, malaog na si mental health. So, ito gabos inagihan ko. Nag-stop ako for 1.5 years, nagpaaram ako kay Sir Chan, nag-join ako sa competition, tadain na akong, di ko na kaya mapaklase sa diri ko nagtatabang ako sa magurang. So nag-stop ako, nagpaaram ako kay Sir Chan, sabi ko, Sir Chan, malanito na ang pagbuhay-buhay. Mapahingalo na muna ako. Matrabaho, maipon, mabalik. Igwang flyers ang sa item, which is the Center for International Trade Exposition and Mission. Nagkukulang po daa ang mga designers sa Manila. Tadakulon ang naga-apply, nag-gibosindang competition. So it's a search for Philippine Young Designers 2015. Dati po kaya selected lang sinda nila Kenneth Cobonpue. So ako po medyo nag-agi na naman ng diit na struggles. Maski undergrad, kairibanan ko mga graduate sa Lasal. Sabi ko, gari na naman ako didi pinuhon. Kasadit-sadit, noon. Da ipa-graduate. Sa era kan Diyos, nakalaog ako duman. Out of 160 finalists, nakalaog po ako sa 14. Nakachamba na naman. Sabi ko, salamat sa Diyos. Maski puro papaano, nagtao naman ng another door of opportunities. To make the story short, nakalaog sa competition, nakaipon, may pa budget ang competition. Sabi ko, mabalik na ako sa busita, mawawalat na naman ako nung K-12. Pag daig ako nagbalik, mapuon na naman. Sabi ko, daig patapos, pero yaon na naman kita digdi. So, maski di ako nakapag-leave, salamaton Bicol University. Nakabalik ako digdi sa namamutan kong school. Sa course na muyahon ko. Kaining mga aki ngunya, naugmahon ako na dakulon ka mong nag-excel. Siguro kami dati mga 30 lang, U-building. Igwa ng parents, da ipapuno. So dakulao na unra ini na dakulo na ang naga-excel digdi sa Bicol University, mostly sa Busit. Jawa baga medyo iba ang iling sa Busit. Minalaban man baga kidiit, minapi ka man. So dakulao na unra po, to make the story short, established business digdi. Ang passion ko po talaga sa crafts. Ang mama ko supplier for 25 years. Nag-supply siya sa mga exporter, dahil nag-excel nata. Dahil siya tigbubuhian na mag-level up. Kaya kung kaya nindo alsahon ang nasa ibaba nindo, isabay nindo, daing waralatan. So araw ka ito nangyari kay mama. Kaya ngunyan ako, maski nakaluwas na sa US, sabi ko, ang puso ko yaon digdi. Sabi ko, kung kaya gamiton kung magagamit ako kang ibang tao para mag-asenso, use me. So gamiton ako freely para may iangata. Iyon na ang tigataram ko, naputulo na we have to create opportunities. Nawara ng mama kong opportunities na maging exporter. Di ko na siya pwedeng gibuon sa iba. Di ako nag-excel academic. Pero ang saro lang natataramon ko sa mga achievers, this is your celebration of 4 years of struggles. Iwalat po digdi ang utak nindo na nag-excel ka mo. Makami-meet ka mo sa workplace, maintenance. In the future, maybe maging bosses ninyo. You have to treat other people equally. Di po pagdarahon na cum laude pasensya na. Di po pagdarahon sa workplace. Tayo na ini ang end nung journey nindo sa college, which is you are recognized here. Na-recognize kayo na nag-i-excel. Sa next chapter ng buhay nindo, iba-ibang tao ang makakasalamuhan nindo. Iyo lang po ito. You have to treat other people the way you wanted to be treated. Kasi kung nag-excel ka mo digdi, maybe sa ibang field, hindi ka mo nag-excel, di po ka mo madismaya. So iyo po ito ang perspective na gusto ko i-share. Tangon yan ang recognition nindo. You are recognized for your hard work. Your next chapter will be different. So again, salamat po sa gabos na naging part ng journey ko sa Bicol University. Daipong Damas USA kung daing Bicol University. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mohar, for that very heartfelt testimony. I'm sure that everybody who knows you are proud of you. And again, thank you so much for your valuable time, sharing your words with us, which definitely brightened our day and gave us a positive impact. At this moment, again, we would like to request Mr. Mohar to please come up on stage. And together, would like to invite our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our college dean, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, and our associate dean, Professor Arlene A. Balleras, to award the plaque of commendation. Citation reads, Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, East Campus, Legazpi City. Awards this plaque of commendation to Mr. Jelvin L. Muhar, Bachelor in Industrial Design, Batch 2019. This is hereby commended for the exceptional testimonial speech delivered during the 2023 Bicol University College of Industrial Technology recognition ceremonies with the theme, BUNIUS, Celebrating New Beginnings, Creating Opportunities, Changing Perspectives. Your eloquence, profound insights, and ability to connect with the audience left an indelible impression, inspiring and motivating the student awardees to strive for excellence in their academic pursuits and future careers. Your remarkable contribution greatly enriched the event and exemplified the values of scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Your wisdom resonated deeply with the attendee, leaving a lasting positive impact. The Bicol University College of Industrial Technology expresses its heartfelt appreciation and gratitude for your invaluable participation, which contributed to the success and elevated the significance of the recognition ceremonies. Given this third day of July 2023 at Bicol University College of Industrial Technology, East Campus, Legazpi City, Philippines. Signed, Dean of the College of Industrial Technology, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco. Another big round of applause, please.
Positeños, some of you might remember the 2022 project of CSE, which was first launched during the Bicol University Olympics 2022. But it wasn't over yet. Another history is about to be made at this time. Presenting to you the Bicol University College of Industrial Technology first ever station ID.
On screen, please.
Kinabukasan, teknolohiya ng pang-industriya, kolehiyong may kakayahan na makipagsabayan. Iuwinyong mula sa silangan, napatunayan ang mga kakayahan sa iba't ibang larangan. Pusit ang aming pinagmulan, pangarap, pagsisikap, patungo sa tagumpay. May talino at talento, ganyan ang busitenyo. Galing ng busitenyo, hindi magpapatalo. Galing ng busitenyo, tatabiuenyo sa puso at isip, mananatili matibay ang busitenyo. Galing ng busitenyo, hindi magpapatalo. Galing ng busitenyo, tatabiuenyo, laging may solusyon, mananatiling positibo. Ako ay busitenyo. Ako, ay busitenyo. Ako, ay busitenyo. Ako, ay busitenyo. Kami ay busitenyo. Lumipas man ang mga taon, hirap at ginhawa na dala ng panahon, tatag ng busitenyo. Subok na noon hanggang ngayon, sa tulong ng magagaling na guro at matalinong namumuno, nagkakaisa at konektado ang lahat ng departamento. Liyuin yung mula sa silangan, napatunayan ang mga kakayahan sa iba't ibang larangan. Pusit ang aming pinagmulan, pangarap, pagsisikap, patungo sa tagumpay. May talino at talento, ganyan ang busitenyo. Galing ng busitenyo, hindi magpapatalo. Galing ng busitenyo, tatabiuenyo sa puso at isip, mananatili matibay ang busitenyo. Galing ng busitenyo, hindi magpapatalo. Galing ng busitenyo, tatabiuenyo, laging may solusyon, mananatiling positibo. Ako ay busitenyo. Ako, ay busitenyo. Ako, ay busitenyo. Ako, ay busitenyo. Kami ay busitenyo.
We would like to thank all who have been part of the station ID from the making until today for its soft launching. To the proponents of the project, headed by Daniel Pacamara, John Carlo Catampongan, John Willie Protasio, and the rest of the CSE officers, the composer, arranger, and director, Stephen Ray Labugan, the songwriter, Alfie Ensano, for the Assistant Director for the MV, Lube Hate, RCSAC Professor Michael Alagaban, College Dean, Dr. Jonathan C. Arroco, faculty and staff, students, student dancers, DBO officers, and to all the individuals who have been part of the production of this station ID, thank you.
And of course, congratulations to all of you. Palakpakan naman natin sila, ang gagaling. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, would like to invite the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, to give us an inspiration message. Ma'am?
Good afternoon. It has always been a joy to be with this group of awesome people. And if you've noticed, I always say yes to every invitation of the Busit family. And my appreciation for once again having me and giving me the opportunity to give an inspirational message. To the 9th President of Bicol University, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin de la Peña de Bres III, to the Dean of the OSS, Professor Dave Stonga, Madam, the Director, Madam Jess Imperial, to the very dynamic and I believe well-loved Dean of Busit, Dr. Jonathan Arroco, the gorgeous and very efficient Associate Dean, Dr. Balieras, to our guest, the one who have just given the testimonial, Sir Jelvin Mohar, whom I have heard so many great things from the Dean. And I am very, very pleased to finally meet you formally. To the guest speaker, Madam Kristen M. Diaz, who shall be formally introduced in a while. The faculty members, non-teaching personnel, student leaders, the college registrar. I always acknowledge the college registrar because you played a great part in every recognition and graduation of the university. Pwede bang palakpakan natin ang ating minamahal na registrar? Dear parents, ladies and gentlemen, isa pong napakagandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is a recognition for both graduating and the non-graduating. So in the message that I will be giving you, I will separate my specific message to the graduating and the non-graduating. So once again, we are holding this annual recognition to honor the students who have exemplary performed in various aspects of their academic life in terms of leadership, service, and scholarship. We gather to celebrate this remarkable achievement. This moment is a testimony to your unwavering dedication, relentless pursuit to quality and excellence. You would not be sitting in this gymnasium for this special occasion if you chose the easy way as a student, if you chose the shortcut, if you did not commit to your personal goals. To my dear honorees, this is your moment to celebrate and to be proud of yourself. And definitely, you deserve every ounce of admiration and applause. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Your commitment to your education has brought you to this very point. You have shown exceptional level of determination, resilience, and hard work. We all know what your batch had to go through due to this pandemic that shocked the entire world. Everybody during that time, 2020, when we were all terrified, we never thought in our lifetime we would experience pandemic. And so you were submitted to a lot of pressure. At the same time, thinking of how will you survive. And alongside it, how are you going also to survive your academics? And so the silver lining provided by the COVID-19 is that SUCs like Bicol University were compelled to adapt to a new modality, which to most of us was a totally new terrain, the online modality. But we have proven our resilience that no matter what, whatever difficulty we have to face, we will always find ways and we will adjust. That is what we have proven to the world. But let us not forget this very moment that your achievement is not yours alone. This is the product of a network of support. As what you have heard from Sir Mohar, his journey to success was a product of many other people who have believed in him, who have given him chance in order to become successful. You have your parents, you have your siblings, your loved ones, your guardians, your titos and titas, and of course, the faculty members of Bicol University who have always committed themselves to nurturing every Bicol BU scholar. Take a moment to express your gratitude and appreciate those who have encouraged you, believed in you, pushed you to exceed your expectation. Success becomes even sweeter if you celebrate it with those people who joined you in your journey towards it. As you reflect on the significant milestone, remember that success is not merely measured by grades and accolades. It is also defined by character, values, and impact you bring to the world around you. Your journey as honor students has prepared you to be leaders, innovators, and change makers. So embrace every opportunity ahead of you and continue to strive for excellence. This moment, we recognize what you have accomplished for one school year. Next school year will be a different story. But I encourage you to continue to persevere and set a particular goal to maintain, if not, to surpass your performance this year. And now to my dear students who are graduating. You might be called the pandemic graduate, right? And 20 years from now, I'm sure most of you here will look back to your experience as college student. Few days from now, we will be ushering you formally outside the gate, the portal of Bicol University. And I have to warn you, a lot of people might doubt your capability of what you might be capable of offering. People will say, mahina yan. Online classes yan. Pandemic graduate yan. But I was listening to your college jingle, Busitenyo, tatak ng mga magagaling. I'd like you to live every day that values, that trademark of matatag magaling na Busitenyo in every day of your life as you perform your respective roles as would-be professional of this country and of this world. Today, we recognize your accomplishment as magna cum laude, perhaps summa cum laude, or cum laude. But tomorrow, we look forward to witnessing the impact that you will make on the world. Tama yung sinabi ni Sir Mohar. You are given recognition here tomorrow will be a different story. It's going to be a different struggle that you will have to face. You will have to face different characters. Do not falter. Do not ever falter in your faith in yourself. Always go back to the main core values that we here in Bicol University tried our very best to instill in each one of you. The core values of leadership, scholarship, service, and character. Our 4 pillars. Let these 4 pillars be our trademark. Be the brand that you will offer to the world. Huwag nating gayahin yung mga taga-Lasal, UP. Hindi naman ako sinaingit sa kanila. But as BUNyo, as Busitenyo, we do have our own